these are just the things that I have caught him doing. And I am asking you, please make him stop.
We head to Bad Axe, Michigan for a sentencing. 42-year-old Brandon Lee Thomas has pled no contest to aggravated stalking. 7 months earlier, Thomas was arrested after his ex-wife's auto mechanic discovered a GPS tracker that Thomas had hidden under her car. The victim had recently been granted a personal protection order against her ex, but told police that he was still showing up at the same locations as her around town. Thomas was charged and entered a plea of no contest. Today, he appears before Judge Gerald Prill to hear his sentence. After Thomas declined to make a statement, defense attorney Michelle Arsiv requested no jail time for her client. The prosecutor, Alexander Pahani, is recommending a sentence of 90 days in jail.
What this defendant did to his ex-wife is disturbing at best. Your Honor, we're not talking about an Apple AirTag or something that one puts into a vehicle. We're talking about a hardwired device that was wired into the vehicle's power so he could know where she was at all times. And that's how he knew how to show up wherever she was, whatever she was doing, there was Mr. Thomas. A true stalker in the very definition of the statute. And Your Honor, I would note, just for the record, that the complaining witness is not present in court today because she is terrified of this defendant, Your Honor.
She is in the courtroom, Your Honor. I'm sorry?
It appears the victim is in the courtroom today.
Please come forward, miss. I didn't see you back there. I apologize.
In a stunning development, the victim walks to the front of the courtroom where she stands just a few feet from the defendant, her ex-husband, and delivers her statement.
I really am not comfortable doing this, but this has not stopped. It's things that the police cannot do anything about because he's going to other people. My boyfriend is here. Mr. Thomas aggressively confronted him in a gas station parking lot. He's tried to make contact with my mother, my sister, my cousin, my best friend's husband, all within the last couple of months. 2 weeks ago, he followed me home from Cairo. This has not stopped at all, and these are just the things that I have caught him doing. And I am asking you, please make him stop.
After the victim returns to her seat, Judge Prill moves on to the sentencing.
Now, what is troubling to this court is that you took the approach of actually installing a GPS device on the vehicle, which, again, is unheard of, frankly. And it was utilized, and which caused the problem. And clearly, we have a victim in this courtroom that is terrified of this individual. That's just the way it is. It will be the sentence. This court, that the defendant be placed under a mandatory term of probation for a period of 5 years. Bottom line, Mr. Thomas, the old phrase, lose the number. No more. Stay away. Remain in custody of the sheriff.
The judge ordered Thomas to serve the first 90 days of his probation in the county jail. And upon completion of his jail time, Thomas must have no contact with the victim. If he fails to follow the terms of his probation, he could be facing more jail time.